starting on the bar ends, we've got obviously power ends with S&M Hoda grips. Best grips, got a bit of front grip right now, rode home in the rain yesterday. So on that side, got the Colt Crew handlebars. Yep, they're pretty good. Got BSD leveled stem, I think, with BSD top cap. And for a headset, I've got a Federal high top, and down there I've got a Dub Blazers badge. And for the forks, I've got a BSD Jameson, but I standard them down silver to match the bottom part of the frame. And then moving on to the cranks, I've got Federal Vice 24mm, BSD Jameson pedals, BSD chain, Odyssey LaGuardia 25 tooth. And then bottom bracket, got BSD bottom bracket with, what else have I got? Pegs, Federal, I think they're aluminium, inserts, plastic, on all four. We're moving on to the seat. Got a Spurs Cannon seat, I don't actually know what seat it is. With a, where is it? Colt seat post with some Cookie Jam fans. Looks cool, I guess. And then moving on to the back wheel, got a Federal stance hub. Got a metal hub guard coming for the back, so I have a metal hub guard here with Cinema 888 rims with Odyssey Path Pro tyres. And then on the front, basically the same. Got a Federal stance front hub with Odyssey Path Pro tyres, Cinema 888 rim. And I also forgot to say what the frame has. It's Federal Bruno Hoffman, orange to silver fade, I think. I'm not really too sure. Yeah, that was my 2025 bike check. So yeah.